Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to solve a problem on buoyancy and flotation. So in this video we are going to solve a problem when a metallic body floats at the interface between mercury and water. So first I will read what is the given problem. Find the density of metallic body which floats at the interface of mercury of specific gravity 13.6 and water such that 40% of its volume is submerged in mercury and 60% in water. So this was the given question. Now we will first understand what is the diagram related to given data. Now here we have to draw one metallic body for which 40% of the total volume is in mercury and remaining 60% of the total volume of body is in water. So we will consider what is the total volume of body, that is equal to V meter cube. Now we have to write this data. So how to write? That is the volume of body submerged in mercury, 40% of V, that is 40 by 100 into V, that is equal to 0.4 V meter cube. And then volume of body submerged in water, which is equal to 60% of V, that is 60 by 100 into V, which is equal to 0.6 V meter cube. Now we will understand the basic formulas related to buoyancy and flotation. So these are very basic formulas and for each and every question you can use these formulas. So we will understand that. So what is the buoyant force? So buoyant force is equal to weight of body. So here is the body. So we have to write buoyant force is equal to weight of body, and which is equal to weight of fluid displaced by body. So what is the fluid? So in this question body is immersed in water as well as mercury. So here there are two fluids, that is water and mercury. So we can use this formula. Then the next formula is volume of body. So for this body, volume of body is equal to volume of fluid displaced by the body. So here is also two fluids. So we have to use here 60% of volume, which is equal to volume of water displaced by a body, and 40% volume, that is here on the left hand side, 40% of this total volume, which is equal to volume of mercury displaced by body. Now we have to find out what is the density rho of this body. So I will write here, we have to find out rho is equal to question mark for this body. So what is this rho? So if we observe here, buoyant force is equal to weight of body, and what is weight? That is rho into G into volume of body. So when we use this formula, that is buoyant force is equal to weight of body, then we can find out this value of rho, that is density. So for that, here volume of body, rho into G into volume of body. So first we will find out what is the volume of body. So here it is given that volume of body in water and volume of body in mercury. Then what is the buoyant force? So now this is so much important. So for this given body, what is the buoyant force? So now body is getting divided into two fluids. So we have to write buoyant force, or we can say total buoyant force on the body, which is equal to buoyant force due to water plus buoyant force due to mercury. So now we will move for the first, that is buoyant force due to water. So how to find out that? So again, buoyant force due to water, which is equal to weight of water displaced by body. So we can say that we have used this formula, buoyant force is equal to weight of, here instead of fluid, water displaced by body, because here buoyant force due to water only we are going to find out. So now what is the weight of water? So weight, that means constant formula is there, or same formula is there, rho into G into volume. So now here we have to use rho into G into volume of water displaced by body, because we are considering here only water. So what is rho? So rho for the water is 1000 G. So we will take here G as it is, because we have to find out this rho. So on this right hand side, for the weight of the body, rho g into volume. So we can cancel it, gg. So we will take here as it is. Then volume of water displaced by the body. So now what is the volume of water displaced? So again we will move over here. Volume of water, instead of fluid we will use water, displaced by body, which is equal to volume of body. So now we have to write here volume of body in water, and which is equal to 0.6 V. So for this we will use here 0.6 V into G into 1000 Newton. So this is the buoyant force due to water. Now in the same way we will move for the next. So buoyant force due to mercury. So here buoyant force due to mercury, which is equal to weight of mercury displaced by body. So what is the weight of mercury displaced by body? So again rho into g into volume of mercury displaced by body. So what is rho? So density is given, or specific gravity is given in the question, that is 13.6. So how to convert it into density, that is specific gravity multiplied by 1000. So 13.6 into 1000 into g. So we will use here g as it is, and volume of mercury. So volume of mercury displaced by body, which is equal to volume of body in mercury. So what is the volume of body in mercury? That is 0.4 V. So we have to put here value. So 13,600 into G into 0.4 V Newton. Now when we add the buoyant force due to water plus buoyant force due to mercury, then we will get here the total buoyant force. And what is this total buoyant force? Which is equal to weight of body. So now we will again define this term. So what is the weight of body? So again rho into g into volume of body. So we have to write this. So what is the total buoyant force? That means we have to add this right hand side, that is 1000 into g into 0.6 V plus 13,600 into g into 0.4 V. So this is the left hand side, that is the total buoyant force, which is equal to weight of body, that is rho into g into V, because V is the volume of body. So if we simplify this, so we have to take this g as a common, then this g and g is getting cancelled, and when we solve this we will get a term in terms of V. So again this V and V is getting cancelled, and what is the remaining term? That is rho. So rho is equal to 6040 kilogram per meter cube. So this is the density of body.